Where's your owner?
Come on, the train is waiting.
I'm first! I'm first!
Oh no, we're late. Look at the board. Which platform?
I see it! Platform 7!
Platform 7, this way.
Wait, what is that? Is anyone here? Anyone?
Where's your owner?
Jack, is that a dog? Oh, hello, little one. Where did you come from? There's something on his collar. His name is Biscuit.
There's a number. Call it, Dad.
I'm calling now.
No answer.
Biscuit and a number.
Voicemail again.
Attention passengers, the express train to the city is now departing from platform 4.
That's our train.
I can't just leave him.
Jack, we should go now.
We can't just leave him, Dad.
But our trip. He's scared. Look at his eyes.
What do we do? There must be someone here who can help.
Excuse me, do you know this dog?
No, sorry, I'm in a rush. Sorry, not my dog. Good luck.
Dad, a guard. He can help. We found this dog. He has no owner.
No owner. Let me see. The lost and found. At the far end. That way.
That's so far. And the train?
Please, Dad. He needs us.
Okay. We help Biscuit first. Yes, we can't leave him.
All right, we do this as a family. Let's go find this dog's owner.
He wants to show us something. He knows.
Excuse me, have you seen this dog's owner? He was alone on the platform. His name is Biscuit.
Sorry, I haven't seen anyone looking for a dog.
Thank you. We will keep looking.
Attention passengers, the last train to the city has departed. The next service is in 1 hour.
That was the last train. The next one is in 1 hour.
There it goes.
We missed it.
That's okay. We did the right thing.
There is another train, 1 hour.
What about our tickets? They were not cheap.
We will fix the tickets. Don't worry.
Okay, Biscuit. Let's find your home.
Excuse me, we need your help, please. Can you make an announcement for the dog's owner?
Of course.
We found him on the platform. He is lost.
Attention, please. If anyone has lost a small dog, please come to the information desk.
Nobody is coming.
He found a scent. He is tracking something.
Look, he is going left. Follow him.
He's so smart. He knows where to go.
We need to talk about the ticket problem.
The tickets are non-refundable. Book.
That's a lot of money.
Not now. The dog first, tickets later.
Where are we? This is different.
Wait, staff only. We cannot go there.
Biscuit, we cannot go there. Come back.
There must be another way around.
There! Another way! We can go around!
He's so smart. He just went around.
I have to respect that dog.
My bag, it's falling. Thank you, Dad.
Where are we? What does this sign mean?
Look! Lost property! Is that the lost and found?
Yes! Lost and found! That's it! Come on!
He knows! He brought us here!
Hello? Is anyone there?
Hello? We need help, please.
Someone is there. I can hear them.
Hello? We found a dog. His name is Biscuit.
We found this dog on the platform. He has a collar. We called the number. No answer.
Yes, there is a report here. Someone came in looking for a small dog about 1 hour ago.
What does it say? Who is it?
An old man. He was very worried. He's been looking for hours. He went that way, toward the main waiting area. But he left 10 minutes ago. I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Which way did he go?
The main waiting area. Benches near the departure board.
He might still be there. Let's go.
Thank you. You've been very kind.
There, is that him over there?
No, that's not him. Keep looking.
Wait, everyone stop. Look at him. Follow him! Run!
Was it worth it, Mom? Missing our train?
Always. It is always worth helping.
That's my boy. We need to fix the tickets.
Yes, let's go.
We missed our train. We were helping someone. Can we change our tickets?
I see. These tickets are non-refundable, I'm afraid.
They rescued a lost dog today. They missed their train for it. They deserve a chance. Let me see what I can do.
Wait, for free?
They're doing it for free?
Consider it a gift for a kind family.
Thank you. This is very kind. We don't know what to say.
Thank you both. Very much. Platform 4. Next train in 30 minutes.
We have 30 minutes. Let's get something to eat.
Yes, I'm hungry.
I wonder if Biscuit is happy now.
He is. I know he is.
That was the best day.
Platform 4. It's time. Let's go. 1 hour late, but we're going!
Better late than never.
We are finally on our way.
1 hour late.
The station is getting smaller.
I know. Look at it.
I will miss Biscuit.
Remember this day, Anna.
I will. Forever.
Dad?
Yes?
Did we do the right thing? Really?
You did the right thing. From the very beginning.
Even though we missed our train?
Especially then.
I hope Mr. Park and Biscuit are happy.
Look! On the platform.
It's Mr. Bark. He's there. He came back.
Goodbye, Biscuit.
Goodbye.
I'll never forget today.
That was the best day.
Yes, it was.
We were late.
The best days are always a little late.
Would you miss your train for a lost dog?
Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe. We have more stories coming.
See you next time.
Goodbye, friends.